Hey guys, in this video is part 3 of the space shooter game. And again, I'm with unown-x.
And in this
Probably
video,
gonna be with
last
unown-x
video
in
we
the whole part. All of them. We
covered player death, obviously.
Player death, obviously, yeah.
Enemy death.
Enemy death.
And in the part 1 we covered the
and that
bullet.
you both die when, like,
yeah,
if it hits it, you both
it's
die.
a collision. Now
maybe we might add health.
We do
like,
need health, so let's
like
start by making a health. And
a health bar.
I want to make this look nice. Now we're gonna start by getting the We're gonna go to rectangle.
Fill the green.
No, not green. Green. Oh yeah, green. Red means you're damaged. Green means you aren't. And I think we can do this in bitmap so that we can use the pixelate to make it.
But it should be outlined too. No, it needs an outline.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let me try. Maybe.
Yeah, go back here and draw it.
Like this.
Yep.
Maybe like.
And center. No, center. We can. Come on. So like every 2 pixels we can remove a health or just an amount, so it goes down by 5.
Maybe make it a bit smaller because it.
No, I think it needs to into the middle.
And stretch it out a bit because it feels too much rectangular.
Just press on Alt, zoom it out a bit.
That looks a lot better.
And we can stick that here or down. I think I'm gonna do up.
Maybe we can do the outline something different color because it's.
It doesn't matter really. So just go to
health bars usually have outline. Maybe like blue outline.
Okay, just select it. First you have to select it. wait. No, don't do that. Just select the thing. Select, go here. Okay, now just change the outline.
Outline to blue. Okay.
So that looks a bit better. And now we're going to name this 5. You want to name this 5. Remember 5. Now we're gonna get back into the health bar, but we need to make our first variable.
Wait, before we do that, let's just delete the my variable thing, because we won't need that.
Okay, now make a new variable and name it health.
Obviously.
For all sprites, you need it for all sprites, to make sure this works right. And right now we have health, but it doesn't have a value or a purpose. So
when green flag clicked,
we're going to set health
to 5.
5 can be nice because we're gonna have 5. So 5 is going to be this, and as it goes down, it's gonna change. That's why you name this 5, so it's directly synced with the variable. Okay, next we're gonna duplicate. I don't know if I duplicated that.
Duplicate.
Okay, and now we're going to get red, and we don't want to fill this time. No outline. Sorry, if you want to fill, just no outline. And we're going to draw a red bar. You're going to have 5 red bars, remember? So this is your first one. Just add it there.
Oh yeah. That's like instead of white, because red looks better, to be honest.
Okay, so that could be 1. But I think we need to make it a bit bigger to split it into.
No, it looks perfect.
To split it into 5, it's gonna need to be a bit bigger.
Because I'm not used to splitting it into 5. I usually do less. I mean more.
I think that could be good.
Yeah. Wait. That would be into 4.
No, I can make it 5.
It doesn't matter.
So that's gonna be instead of 2, you're gonna call this 4 because this means you still have 4 health bars remaining.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna
let me
duplicate. And now you're going to duplicate this red bar.
Yeah.
Copy. Now you're gonna click on it.
I don't know why it keeps doing that.
Okay, so what you're gonna do, just click.
Carefully click. Don't right click.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna copy, and now we're gonna paste that, and now we're going to
press. It's kind of hard drawing using Scratch as editor.
But yep.
It still works fine. It's not that bad.
Now again, this might be split into 5, and that's not a problem. You can always edit this up. And I
Right.
think that's going to be 4. So
Make it a bit forward, maybe.
that doesn't matter. We can duplicate. Oh yeah.
Or let's make it 4 health actually.
No, 5 will work. If we just push it in a bit more.
Because I see sometimes space shooter games they have like 4 health.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So this means just on 4. You know what? Yeah, let's
1,
make
2,
it
3.
4.
Yeah.
So just rename these. Sorry guys. It's just, I mean, it is technically better.
Because like
4,
it's easier
3,
to divide
and then
into
this
4.
will be. So that's what? What just happened?
Just nothing.
Oh wait.
Uh,
You just want to give this a random name. Name this 3.
why would you give it that name?
So we can change them. So 4, this is going to be 4. This is going to be 3 bars.
That's gonna be
this is going to be
2.
2 bars. And you're going to have 1 bar and 0 bars.
Yeah, 0 bar will just be fully
So
red.
duplicate. You want to
I
paste.
was thinking that if it was low on health, we should make the health bar low, like
Yeah,
red.
like.
Maybe orange. We can make the health bar orange.
Or we can make it start flashing.
Do you know?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if the health bars low, could start flashing. And
So if it's like low, this is low.
this could be low. So if it's here, if it's on
1.
1 health.
Maybe 2 and 1.
No, maybe 1.
No.
1. And now you're gonna have 0. So when the health reaches 0, this is going to be 0. And if you want really,
Copy paste.
you don't need a copy paste. You can just fill it up.
Yeah. Because that saves time.
So now you've got your entire health bar complete. You're gonna go back in code and change this to be 4 health. And now it's really simple. Forever. Switch costume
2 health.
to health. And now you can hide the health variable. You can
Sort.
play.
Basic 4.
Okay, now.
Maybe like put it 2 just to see what happens.
And now if you put it on 2, you're gonna see it gets lower. And whatever you set it to, you can even check while playing. Get the change health by. And you want to put minus. Put a minus here.
Wait. Yeah, minus. Wait. Fine.
And now play.
So just play.
It's gonna be like that. Now just click change
minus
health.
Minus 1.
Yeah, we renamed the variables wrong. Okay, I think this.
We named the variables wrong. Wait, let's.
Oh yeah. Okay, so change. Okay, what's health? We need to keep health turned on to know exactly what's happening.
Yeah.
So health is 4. Health is 3.
You're not
Oh
pressing.
my. Health is 2.
Oh yeah, there is something wrong in the costumes. This. What is it? Maybe let's try it again. 3.
Oh wait, it doesn't start on costume 1. You have to switch it to that. Oh, all right. I see it. I see. They need to be like so, because it's switching the costume. Not the name. It's
the number. Yeah.
the number of the costume.
Oh, then that won't work. We have to set.
Oh, wait,
health to 5
wait.
then.
Yeah, and then just set health to 5. And if you play with this, and that works. You get 0. You can fix the 0. But
This
yeah,
is 0.
that works. Oh god.
Or maybe just put a 4. Let's try. Let's change by minus 1. And just one more.
0. Okay, wait. I know how to
This
fix this. Oh my, I'm getting really hard in here. Okay, so 5 is gonna be this. This is gonna be 4. This is gonna be 3. This is gonna be 2, and this is gonna be 1. Okay, 0 doesn't have a costume.
Maybe we.
So this is gonna be 2 health. This is gonna be 3 health. This is gonna be 4 health. This is gonna be 5. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2.
So we'll just put.
And then that's 1 health. and 1 is gonna be 0 health, and you can't go below that.
So just set self.
So just duplicate that, and you're gonna have an extra costume there. And it's really is a pain working with this, but you set it to 5 and
then
play.
That should work.
You want to make this change by -1.
-1. Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But just delete the last costume. God, this is so annoying. I've done this before and it worked, but it's getting on my nerves now. But if it reaches 0, you're just gonna delete the entire thing. It's not gonna show. At the start, you want to put show.
Wait, let me put a hide variable health, and in the start,
you show.
Put a show.
Okay. Next, when player. Now go to the player.
Where you take,
Yeah. Now when I receive message 1, instead of hide and stop all, you want to remove that. And you want to put change health by -1.
Yeah. We go to variable, change health by. Make sure it's -1, not 1.
Save now. Make it full screen.
Yeah.
And play. Now try to get hit. You lose.
Yeah.
You lose more.
Yeah.
You kill that, and then you lose more, and then it resets.
Yeah, but it doesn't die. So
yeah. So now we need to do.
put an if block.
Wait. Yeah. Here on the when I receive message 1.
If
health is less than
2 or 1, because it's the costumes.
It's less than. It's
2.
less than 1. 1. Yeah. It's if health is less than 1, but 1.
I don't think it works.
And
stop
then
all.
hide and stop all. And if we.
I think it's less than 2, but let's just try this.
You're losing health. You're losing more health. More health. More health. And you die. So less than 2. Make it less than 2.
Yeah, because it's less than 2. So when it's 0 health, immediately dies.
And it doesn't switch to the costume, but now you know it works.
Change health by -1 maybe. Here. Let's try it now.
Yeah, so now this will work. You don't really need it, but it now works. If you want it to show that you died, just put a wait. Oh my. Yeah, and now make it 0.1. Wait, 0.1.
0.1.
And now if you play, it will change health by 1.
Hopefully.
And it brings it back, but that means the game has reset for you. And yeah, one more thing you could add, because we don't have more time in this episode, is a score, which we will.
Maybe we can. Yeah, score.
Put in the.
Should we put it large? Large readout. Yeah.
Large, okay. And that's a score. Oh no, it doesn't matter. Keep it there.
No.
Keep it there.
Okay.
Okay, and now we're going to
set
just
score to 0 in the start.
And here, just change health.
Health. No, score. You're right clicking.
Yeah,
score
I can
to
use that touchpad.
By
1. Yeah. And if you play.
No.
Yes.
Oh wait, is it?
It's gonna change the score by 1. Yes.
No, we should do it every time a villain dies.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Then this is easy. You drop that out, and then you go into bullet.
Make sure that you put it on
bullet. Yeah.
All sprites.
Yeah, make sure scores for all sprites, and then now here you have.
Wait, go to enemies actually.
Sorry, enemies. You're gonna check.
If touching bullet, change score by 1. Okay, let's try it now.
Let's do 10. 10. You don't want to have a low score.
Yeah. Like 10. So like each enemy is worth 10. Maybe in another.
Okay, so
part
we're running out of time.
Yes.
But
I hope you enjoyed this video.
And if you die, just kill yourself.
Bye.
Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and bye.